Hello guys, welcome. And today's experiment is going to be: does hot water sink when it mixes with the cold water? Or we're going to be checking that out. So today we're going to be doing an experiment. So first we're going to take a glass of hot water. Pretend this is hot water, and we're going to be taking another glass of cold water, and we're going to be dyeing it blue, and this one's going to be dyeing it red. So now what we're going to do is we're going to have to take another glass. That one's bad. So anyways, we're going to have to take another glass, and we're going to don't just ignore that. So we're going to be first pouring hot water in, then we're going to be pouring the cold water in. So when we pour the cold water in, my question is that is this hot water gonna rise up all the way till here so that the cold water goes down? That is my question. So today we'll be experimenting that. So let's get right into it. First, we need the second part of this is hypotenuse. Now it's time for the hypothesis. Hypothesis is just basically what I'm thinking will happen in the experiment. So this is what I'm thinking. So once we put the hot water in and then we put the cold water in, I think the cold water will mix up with the hot water since it's heavier. So basically instead of seeing just red and blue, we're gonna be seeing a mixture of this, which is going to be purple. I don't think so I have that color here. So we're going to be seeing purple. But once we put the cold water in and then we put the hot water in, then it's going to be different. I think the hot water will just stay up and the cold water will just stay down. So we'll just be seeing the same old thing, red and blue separated. So that's what I'm going to think is happening. Write yours down in the comments below. So, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do. This is the time for it. So guys, I'm doing the experiment right now. So these are the materials you might need. So you might need a spoon for stirring, and some food dye. I don't have food dye, so I'm using ink. And so with this, and you need 3 transparent glasses. And so what are we waiting for? Let's get started. I'm gonna set you up right here. So this is basically cold water. This is an empty glass, and this is a glass of hot water. Hope you can see it. Yeah. So now we're gonna dye the hot water red. So I got some ink. You can see that I'm dyeing there. Now we can stir it up. I don't think so we need to, but I'm just gonna stir that up. It looks it looks like someone just donated some blood. Okay. Now we're gonna dye that blue. That's because it's cold water. Now we can stir that up too, but we don't need to because my ink is just stirring itself up. And here we have something that's not necessary, but here it is. We have a measurer. So it basically measures